Hey everybody, I'm Amy Art. I'm the Executive Director for Friends of Ottawa National Wildlife Refuge, and today I thought I would share with you the Fox unit. I'm actually standing in Fox Woods at the moment, and this is one of the parcels that we've helped the refuge to obtain this year. So it's 8 acres of woods, and then we have a restoration project out here. That's about 30 acres or so that was planted recently. You can see the green starting to pop up here. It's looking really good. So the Fox unit is a 40-acre parcel. It's actually right next to the Gensman unit, which you can see over there in the distance. There's a white barn and a house over there. The refuge entrance is on the end of Lickard Harder Road, and Gensman unit is about 37 acres directly across from the entrance. So this is going to all be restored as one contiguous habitat. We are going to have a hiking trail through the grassland area that I just showed you, and then through the woodlot as well. So at some point, hopefully in 2022, so we should have this done by the end of 2021, you'll be able to come out here right directly across the street from the visitor center and see some of what this place has to offer. I think it's a really awesome location. All sorts of interesting plant life. It is just gorgeous. So we hope that you'll follow our journey and take a peek when you're driving down Route 2.